Moving on, the much-awaited Thenjol Golf Course Resort was recently inaugurated via video conferencing in Mizoram from New Delhi. Mizoram is now among the few Indian states that has world-class golf resorts. The entire golf course has been planned and created to provide fine quality of golfing experience to tourists. Have a look.
Nestled in southern tips of the northeastern region, Mizoram holds great potential to give a lift to India's tourism industry. To give much-needed impetus on the golf tourism of the state, the first ever Thenjol Golf Resort was inaugurated recently in Mizoram. The golf course is about 90 km from state capital Aizawl. The Thenjol Golf Course is one of the biggest golf courses in India, engulfed with lustrous green mountains, picturesque landscape and exotic flora and fauna. The inaugural function at Aizawl was attended by Mizoram Tourism Minister Robert Romavia Royte and other officials. At the inauguration event, Union Minister of State for Tourism suggested Mizoram's tourism industry to be ready for post-COVID-19 era and assured that project funds would not be delayed.
मिजोरम को एक अच्छी उपलब्धि के लिए मैं हृदय से आपको बधाई देता हूँ। बीमारी कितना विकराल रूप लेगी इसका पता नहीं है। टूरिज्म को बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है और नुकसान तब रुकेगा जब लोगों का टूर एंड ट्रैवल शुरू होगा।
This project was sanctioned under Swadesh Darshan Northeast Circuit at Thenjol and South Zote District Sarchip and Reg, with a sanction amount of 92.25 crore rupees, out of which an amount of 64.48 crore rupees was sanctioned for various components at Thenjol, including the golf course.
The project is aimed to enhance golf tourism in India to a new level with exceptional hospitality services, picturesque landscape and favorable climatic conditions. The golf resort is built within an area of 105 acres and has a play area of 75 acres with 18 holes.
The golf course, designed by Canada-based golf course architectural firm Graham Cook and Associates, is the first of its kind in the northeastern region. It is ornate with 30 ecolog huts, 8 gazebos, a cafeteria, an open-air theatre, a convention centre and watchtowers which provide 360-degree views of the entire golf course.
It's a glorious for Mizoram tourism. So it's a fine place for Thenjol Golf Course, and it's a fine place, and the golf course is the biggest in Northeast.
Located in Thenjol, home to the highest waterfall of the state, Wontong Falls, this golf course covers a total site area of 105 acres and play space of 75 acres. Designed to have facilities of international standards, the golf has a 18-hole golf course with a sharing fairway and automated irrigation system.